To get started, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about Gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience, and this is the best guide available anywhere in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial, investment, or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. Okay, let's start the audiobook. Gold IRA Rollover in Detail. Precious Metals IRA Gold IRA. Securing your financial future. Why a Gold IRA rollover could be your smartest move. In an era defined by economic uncertainty, fluctuating markets, and the ever-present specter of inflation, safeguarding your retirement savings has never been more critical. While conventional investment vehicles like stocks and bonds have long been the cornerstone of retirement portfolios, a growing number of savvy investors are turning towards a time-tested and tangible asset, gold. And the pathway to seamlessly integrate this precious metal into your retirement strategy lies in the power of a Gold IRA rollover, also known as a Precious Metals IRA rollover. This comprehensive audiobook delves deep into the world of Gold IRAs, meticulously exploring every facet of the rollover process and illuminating why diversifying with precious metals, particularly gold, can be a profoundly intelligent decision for securing your long-term financial well-being. We will unpack the intricacies of Gold IRAs, dissect the rollover mechanisms, highlight the compelling advantages, address potential considerations, and ultimately empower you with the knowledge to determine if a Gold IRA rollover is the right strategic step for your unique retirement goals. Understanding the shifting sands of the financial landscape, why gold is gaining prominence. To truly appreciate the allure of a Gold IRA, it's crucial to first acknowledge the evolving nature of the global financial landscape. We are living in times characterized by persistent inflation. The purchasing power of fiat currencies is constantly eroded by inflation. Government stimulus measures, supply chain disruptions, and geopolitical events have all contributed to a sustained inflationary environment, making it imperative to find assets that can preserve and even grow wealth in real terms. Market volatility and uncertainty. Stock markets, while historically offering growth potential, are inherently volatile and susceptible to economic downturns, geopolitical shocks, and unpredictable global events. Relying solely on paper assets can expose your retirement savings to significant risk during periods of market turmoil. Debasing currencies. Central banks globally are engaged in unprecedented levels of money printing to stimulate economies. This can lead to the debasement of currencies, reducing their intrinsic value over time and diminishing the real returns on investments held in these currencies. Geopolitical instability. Increased global tensions, trade wars, and political uncertainties add layers of risk to traditional investment portfolios. Investors are increasingly seeking safe haven assets that are less correlated with geopolitical turbulence. In this complex and often unpredictable economic climate, gold emerges as a beacon of stability and a powerful tool for wealth preservation. Gold has historically acted as a store of value for millennia, retaining its purchasing power across generations and serving as a reliable hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. This inherent stability is precisely why Gold IRAs are gaining immense traction among astute investors. What exactly is a Gold IRA, Precious Metals IRA? Demystifying the concept. At its core, a Gold IRA, also known as a Precious Metals IRA, is a self-directed individual retirement account that functions much like a traditional or Roth IRA, but with a crucial difference. It allows you to hold physical precious metals like gold, silver, platinum, and palladium as part of your retirement portfolio. Key distinctions from traditional IRAs. Physical assets. Unlike traditional IRAs that primarily hold paper assets like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, a Gold IRA holds physical bars and coins of precious metals. You are directly owning tangible assets, not just shares or promises. Custodial requirements. Gold IRAs require a specialized custodian and depository. You cannot simply store the gold at home. The IRS mandates that physical precious metals held within an IRA must be stored in an approved, secure depository. This ensures the integrity and tax-advantaged status of your retirement funds. Self-directed nature. Gold IRAs are typically self-directed, meaning you have more control over your investment choices within the IRA. You decide which precious metals to buy, when to buy and sell, and manage your account through the custodian. Understanding the eligible precious metals. The IRS has specific guidelines regarding the types and purity of precious metals that can be held within a Gold IRA. Generally, eligible metals include gold, must be 995 fine, 99.5% pure. Common forms include American Gold Eagle coins, Canadian Gold Maple Leaf coins, and gold bars meeting purity standards. Silver must be 999 fine, 99.9% pure. Popular options include American Silver Eagle coins, Canadian Silver Maple Leaf coins, and silver bars meeting purity standards. Platinum must be 9995 fine, 99.95% pure. Common forms include platinum bars and coins meeting purity standards. Palladium must be 9995 fine, 99.95% pure. Includes palladium bars and coins meeting purity standards. It's crucial to work with a reputable Gold IRA custodian and precious metals dealer who understands these IRS regulations and can guide you towards purchasing eligible metals. Investing in non-compliant metals can lead to tax penalties and disqualify your IRA. The power of a rollover, seamlessly transferring your retirement funds into gold. Now let's delve into the mechanics of a Gold IRA rollover. This is the process by which you transfer funds from an existing retirement account, such as a traditional IRA, Roth IRA, 401k, 403b, TSP, thrift savings plan, or other eligible retirement plans into a new Gold IRA without incurring any current taxes or penalties. Why rollover? The rollover mechanism is the most efficient and tax-advantaged way to fund your Gold IRA. It allows you to utilize pre-tax or after-tax retirement savings that are already earmarked for your future and redirect a portion of those funds into the stability and potential growth offered by precious metals. Without the rollover option, you would need to use after-tax dollars to purchase precious metals outside of a retirement account, which is far less tax efficient. Two primary types of rollovers. Direct rollover. This is the most common and recommended method. In a direct rollover, your existing retirement account custodian directly transfers funds to your new Gold IRA custodian. You never personally take possession of the funds. This method is generally straightforward and avoids potential tax complications. Steps in a direct rollover. Establish a Gold IRA. Choose a reputable Gold IRA custodian and open a new Gold IRA account. Contact your existing custodian. Inform your current retirement account custodian that you wish to initiate a direct rollover to your new Gold IRA. Provide them with the necessary details of your Gold IRA custodian and account information. Custodian to custodian transfer. Your existing custodian will directly transfer the funds to your Gold IRA custodian. You will typically need to complete some paperwork and provide authorization. Fund your Gold IRA. Once the funds are transferred, you work with your Gold IRA custodian and a precious metals dealer, often they have preferred dealers, to purchase IRS-approved precious metals within your Gold IRA. Indirect rollover, 60-day rollover. In an indirect rollover, you receive a check from your existing retirement account custodian made out to you. You then have 60 days from the date you receive the funds to deposit them into your new Gold IRA. Caution with indirect rollovers. While technically permissible, indirect rollovers come with potential pitfalls and are generally less advisable than direct rollovers. 60-day deadline. Missing the 60-day deadline can trigger taxable events and penalties. Withholding. Your existing custodian may withhold a portion of the funds for taxes, typically 20%. While you can potentially recover this withholding when you file your taxes, it can complicate the process and require you to use personal funds to make up the difference within the rollover timeframe. Increased risk of error. Indirect rollovers involve more steps and potential for errors, increasing the risk of violating IRS regulations and incurring penalties. Why a direct rollover is the preferred route. For simplicity, tax efficiency, and reduced risk of errors, a direct rollover is overwhelmingly the preferred and recommended method for transferring funds into a Gold IRA. It streamlines the process, minimizes the chance of tax complications, and ensures a seamless transition of your retirement savings into precious metals. The compelling advantages of a Gold IRA rollover. Fortifying your retirement portfolio. Now, let's delve into the compelling reasons why a Gold IRA rollover can be a strategic and advantageous move for safeguarding and potentially enhancing your retirement savings. Inflation hedge extraordinaire. Gold has historically demonstrated its prowess as a powerful hedge against inflation. When the purchasing power of fiat currencies erodes due to rising inflation, the price of gold often tends to rise, preserving and even increasing your wealth in real terms. In inflationary environments, investors flock to gold as a safe haven, driving up demand and pushing prices higher. A Gold IRA provides a direct mechanism to capitalize on this inflation hedging characteristic. Unparalleled diversification. Modern portfolio theory emphasizes the importance of diversification to mitigate risk and enhance returns. Traditional retirement portfolios heavily weighted in stocks and bonds can be vulnerable to market correlations. Gold, on the other hand, often exhibits a low or even negative correlation with stocks and bonds. This means that when traditional asset classes decline, gold can often maintain or even increase in value, providing a crucial counterbalance and reducing overall portfolio volatility. A Gold IRA allows you to introduce this crucial diversification element into your retirement strategy. Safe haven in times of economic turmoil and uncertainty. Throughout history, gold has been regarded as a safe haven asset during periods of economic crises, geopolitical instability, and market downturns. When fear and uncertainty grip the markets, investors gravitate towards the perceived safety and stability of gold. During times of recession, financial crises, or geopolitical shocks, gold prices often surge as investors seek refuge from the turbulence. A Gold IRA provides a secure anchor for your retirement savings during these volatile periods. Preservation of wealth and purchasing power. Unlike fiat currencies that can be debased through inflation and monetary policy, gold is a tangible and finite resource. Its intrinsic value and scarcity have made it a reliable store of wealth for millennia. A Gold IRA enables you to preserve the purchasing power of your retirement savings by holding an asset that tends to maintain its value over the long term, regardless of economic fluctuations. Potential for long-term growth. While gold is primarily considered a wealth preservation asset, it also possesses the potential for long-term growth. Factors such as increasing global demand for gold, particularly from emerging economies, limited supply, and ongoing industrial uses contribute to the potential for gold prices to appreciate over time. A Gold IRA allows you to participate in this potential long-term growth while enjoying tax advantages. Tax-advantaged growth and potential tax-free distributions. Similar to traditional and Roth IRAs, Gold IRAs offer significant tax advantages. In a traditional Gold IRA, your contributions, rollovers in this case, may be tax-deductible, depending on your income and other factors, and your investment grows tax-deferred. In a Roth Gold IRA, your contributions are made with after-tax dollars, but your qualified withdrawals in retirement are potentially tax-free. These tax advantages can significantly enhance the long-term growth potential of your precious metals holdings. Direct ownership and control. Unlike investing in gold ETFs or mutual funds, a Gold IRA provides you with direct ownership of physical gold and other precious metals. You are not relying on a financial instrument or intermediary. You own the tangible asset itself. This direct ownership can provide a sense of security and control over your retirement investments. Tangible asset in an increasingly digital world. In an increasingly digital and intangible financial world, holding physical gold in a gold IRA provides a unique sense of security. It's a tangible asset that exists outside of the digital realm and is not subject to counterparty risk or the vulnerabilities of electronic systems. Navigating the Gold IRA rollover process. Step-by-step guidance. Let's break down the Gold IRA rollover process into actionable steps to guide you through the journey smoothly and efficiently. Conduct thorough research and education. Before embarking on a Gold IRA rollover, it's crucial to educate yourself thoroughly. Understand the benefits, potential risks, costs, and regulations associated with Gold IRAs. This audiobook is a great starting point, but further research and due diligence are always recommended. Choose a reputable Gold IRA custodian. Selecting the right custodian is paramount. Custodian plays a crucial role in setting up and administering your Gold IRA, ensuring compliance with IRS regulations and facilitating transactions. Look for custodians with experience and expertise. Choose a custodian specializing in precious metals IRAs with a proven track record, strong reputation, and positive reviews. Research online reviews and check for any complaints or regulatory issues. Transparent fee structure. Understand all fees associated with account setup, annual maintenance, storage, and transactions. Fees can vary significantly between custodians, so compare carefully. Excellent customer service. Choose a custodian known for responsive and helpful customer support. Secure storage options. Ensure the custodian utilizes reputable and insured depositories for storing your precious metals. Open a new Gold IRA account. Once you've selected a custodian, you will need to complete an application and open a new Gold IRA account. This process typically involves providing personal information, account details, and signing account agreements. Initiate the rollover request with your existing custodian. Contact your current retirement account custodian, e.g. the company managing your 401k or traditional IRA. Inform them of your intention to perform a direct rollover to your new Gold IRA. They will likely require you to complete paperwork and provide details of your Gold IRA custodian and account. Complete rollover paperwork. Both your existing custodian and your new Gold IRA custodian will likely have paperwork to complete for the rollover process. Ensure you fill out all forms accurately and promptly. Fund your Gold IRA. Once the rollover is initiated, the funds from your existing retirement account will be transferred directly to your new Gold IRA custodian. This process can take a few days to a couple of weeks depending on the custodians involved. Select your precious metals. With funds in your Gold IRA, you now work with your custodian, and often a preferred precious metals dealer they recommend, to select the IRS-approved precious metals you wish to hold in your account. Consider your investment goals, budget, and desired metal allocation, gold, silver, etc. Purchase and secure storage. Your custodian, in conjunction with the precious metals dealer, will facilitate the purchase of your chosen metals. The purchased metals are then securely shipped and stored in an IRS-approved depository. You cannot take direct possession of the metals yourself while they are within the IRA. Ongoing account management. Your Gold IRA custodian will provide regular statements and account updates. You are responsible for managing your account, potentially rebalancing your holdings over time, and making decisions about future purchases or sales of precious metals within your IRA. Who is a Gold IRA rollover suitable for? Identifying the ideal candidate. A Gold IRA rollover can be a particularly attractive strategy for individuals who are concerned about inflation, those seeking a robust hedge against inflation, and want to protect their retirement savings from the erosion of purchasing power. Desire portfolio diversification. Investors looking to reduce portfolio risk and enhance diversification by adding an asset class that is not highly correlated with traditional stocks and bonds. Seek safe haven assets. Individuals who are risk-averse and want to include safe haven assets in their retirement portfolio to weather potential economic storms and market downturns. Have a long-term investment horizon. Gold IRAs are generally best suited for long-term retirement savings and wealth preservation, not short-term speculative trading. Are approaching retirement. Those closer to retirement may prioritize capital preservation and stability, making gold's safe haven characteristics particularly appealing. Already have a well-diversified portfolio. A Gold IRA can be a valuable addition to an already diversified portfolio, but it should not be considered a replacement for other essential asset classes. Conclusion: empowering your retirement with the golden touch. In conclusion, a Gold IRA rollover presents a powerful opportunity to strategically diversify your retirement savings, hedge against inflation, and enhance portfolio stability in an increasingly uncertain economic landscape. By transferring funds from existing retirement accounts into a Gold IRA, you gain access to the time-tested wealth preservation and potential growth benefits of physical precious metals, all within a tax-advantaged retirement structure. The compelling advantages of inflation hedging, diversification, and safe haven protection make a Gold IRA rollover a compelling option for many retirement savers. By conducting thorough research, choosing a reputable custodian, and understanding the nuances of the rollover process, you can confidently navigate the path to integrating the golden touch into your retirement strategy and fortifying your financial future for years to come. Also, I would recommend that you get a completely free Gold IRA guide that is written by the best and most trusted Gold IRA company that I have found after over 20 years as an expert independent gold researcher. This free Gold IRA guide will explain everything you need to know and will also answer any questions you may have about Gold IRAs. This is the best guide I have seen in my lifetime as an expert independent gold researcher with more than 20 years of experience, and this is the best guide available anywhere, in my opinion. Also, when you get this free Gold IRA guide, you will get free access to the top Gold IRA experts who will provide you with personalized support and help over the phone, and they will answer any questions you may have. To get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. So again, to get this top free Gold IRA guide, simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. This free guide is really worth getting. Simply go to the link that is in the episode show notes, or go to the link that is in the episode description. Also, this audiobook is not financial, investment, or tax advice. For financial, investment, or tax advice, consult a financial, investment, or tax advisor and take full responsibility for any decision you make. This is the end of this audiobook. I hope you enjoyed this and found it valuable. I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. So again, I would really appreciate it if you could please share this with everyone you know and leave a positive review for me. All the best to you.